Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Goto. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, ginger, onions, spring onions, rice, hard-boiled egg, red hot chili, atsuete powder, beef heart, beef tripe, mushroom, olive oil, fish sauce, chicken bullion, and salt and pepper. Now let's get started. Now in hot pan we will put olive oil. Okay. Now we'll put our onions. Our ginger. Okay. Our garlic. We're gonna cook this for a minute. Our garlic and onions and ginger are cooked. We'll add a little of fish sauce. Like 3 spoons of fish sauce. Okay. Now this is the time, the right time to put our beef tendons. Okay, and our beef heart. We're gonna let this stand there for a few minutes. I should say the next 15 minutes because this is half cooked already. And then we will add other ingredients. Now let's check our meat. All right. Smells good now. Okay. We can add a little water. All right. And then we're gonna add our rice. Okay. We're gonna let this. We're gonna saute the rice with it, and if we need to add more later, we will do that. Okay, add a little more rice, a little water, and then cover this for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's check it again. All right. I think the rice absorbed already some of the juice here. So this time to add our beef tripe. Okay. And we're gonna add some more water, and we're gonna let this simmer for the next 30 minutes. Now let's check our goto. Wow, the rice is almost cooked, but this needs probably another 30 minutes, so everything will be real tender. But this time we can add our atsuete for good color. All right. Okay, and have a stir. Okay. And we'll cover it again. Let's check our goto again. All right. This time we're gonna put a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. That's half. All right. Let's stir it. The rice is cooked already, but I will let this simmer more to make the meat real tender. We'll cover it again. Let's check our goto again. Okay, it smells real good now. Now this time we're gonna squeeze a piece of lemon. All right. Okay. And we will put our mushroom. This is the mushroom stem. This is giant mushroom. Okay. We're gonna simmer it for 2 minutes, and it should be done. Now let's check our goto. I put the mushroom already earlier, the giant mushroom stem, and I added water, and I added some black pepper and salt to taste. This is done, and we're gonna put it in a serving bowl. Here is our finished product, beef goto. Please share this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see the future cooking videos. Thank you and have a good day.